Step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in Los Angeles. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are looking to go through a peaceful, stress-free divorce in Los Angeles, you're already on the right track by considering an amicable divorce. This type of divorce is faster, more affordable, and far less emotionally draining than a contested one, and it's exactly what we specialize in. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process for completing an amicable divorce in Los Angeles County. Step 1 is filing the initial paperwork. This includes the petition, summons, and any necessary forms related to children, if applicable. These documents are filed with the Los Angeles County Superior Court, and we handle this part electronically using the court's e-filing system. Once filed, you'll receive copies stamped by the court and assigned a case number. Step 2 is serving your spouse with the divorce papers. Even though the case is amicable, formal service is still required to start the 6-month waiting period in California. This must be done by someone over the age of 18 who is not a party to the case. Once served, the proof of service is filed and your divorce clock officially begins. Step 3 involves financial disclosures. California requires both parties to complete and exchange preliminary declarations of disclosure, which include your income, expenses, assets, and debts. This step ensures both sides are fully informed and that the agreement is fair. Step 4 is where the agreement comes in. You and your spouse will create a marital settlement agreement that outlines the terms of your divorce, how you'll divide property, handle support, and manage any parenting arrangements if children are involved. We prepare this for you based on your input and ensure it's court compliant. Step 5 is judgment submission. Once the agreement is signed, we complete the final court forms and submit the full judgment package to the court electronically. In Los Angeles County, the court often approves amicable divorce judgments within a couple of weeks, even though the divorce won't officially finalize until the 6-month waiting period has passed. We recently helped a couple in Los Angeles who were completely in agreement but overwhelmed by the process. They came to us with nothing started, and within 3 weeks we filed their case, completed their disclosures, drafted their agreement, and submitted their judgment. The court approved it in less than 2 weeks. At Divorce 661, we make amicable divorce easy. We handle every step: filing, serving, disclosures, agreement drafting, and judgment submission, all for a flat fee and without court appearances. Everything is done remotely and professionally, so you can move forward without the stress. If you're ready to complete your amicable divorce in Los Angeles the right way, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll guide you every step of the way and get your divorce completed quickly, affordably, and without unnecessary conflict.